Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Remove the cover from the glove box. Slide the 2 tightening bolts towards the centre of the cabin filter flange, then remove it. Remove the filter.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point to the driver's side. Put the flange back on and screw it in, sliding the tightening bolts outwards. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.